Is your laptop running slow? Don't worry, I'm about to show you real fixes that will make your laptop instantly faster. No software, no scams, just 100% working methods. Let's speed this thing up. First, let's turn off apps that slow down your laptop when it boots. Right-click the taskbar, then select Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps and turn off any programs you don't need, or disable them all from Windows Startup. This alone can make your laptop boot up 3 times faster. Once you're done, close Task Manager and move on to Step 2. Next, let's delete junk files taking up your space. Press Windows+R, type temp, and click OK. Then select all the files and folders and delete them. Just skip any that can't be deleted. Now do the same with %temp% and prefetch. You'll instantly free up gigabytes of space and improve performance. Now let's boost your speed even more. For Step 3, first search for power and sleep settings and click on it. Then click on Additional Power Settings. Select High Performance or Best Performance. This gives your laptop more power and removes lag. In Step 4, you'll need to turn off unwanted background apps. To do that, first search for Background Apps and click to open it. Here you'll see all the apps running in the background. Turn off any apps you don't need or disable them all at once. This will make laptop instantly smoother for multitasking. Windows animations look nice, but they slow things down. Press Windows+R, type sysdm.cpl. Go to Advanced. Under Performance, click on Settings. Select Adjust for Best Performance. Click Apply. Your laptop will feel much faster immediately. And then click on OK to save the changes. Now let's move on to Step 6, which is Disk Cleanup or automatically cleaning up your system. To do that, first go to Windows Settings, then click on System. On the left-hand panel, click on Storage. Now, first turn on Storage Sense, then click on Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. Scroll down until you see Free Up Space Now, then just hit Clean Now. This will clear out all the junk files from your system. After that, go back and you'll see Temporary Files. Just click on it. Just click on Remove Files. This removes old files your laptop doesn't need. In Step 7, we're going to update the drivers because sometimes old drivers can cause lag and freezing on Windows. Right-click the Windows icon and open Device Manager. You'll see a list of all your device drivers. Just expand each one and update them. Don't forget to update your display, network, and processor drivers. Once you've updated the necessary driver, close Device Manager and move on to Step 8. If your laptop is freezing or running slow, try this quick fix. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Then scroll down to Windows Explorer, right-click it, and hit Restart. This will fix a slow taskbar, freezing Windows, and a laggy desktop. Notifications run in the background and slow down your system. In the 9th step, you're going to turn off Windows notifications. First, open Windows Settings, then click on System, and after that, go to Notifications and Actions. Just switch off notifications from apps and other senders. Now Windows will stop running unnecessary background tasks. In the 10th step, we're going to uninstall any unwanted software or programs. Just search for Control Panel and open it. Then click on Uninstall a Program under the Programs section. Here, you'll see all the programs installed on your system. Just select any program you want to uninstall, then click Uninstall. This will completely remove it from your laptop. Getting rid of unwanted programs helps boost your laptop's performance and frees up storage space. We're almost done, but at the end, I'll share a RAM cleanup trick that makes your laptop run a lot smoother. For that, press Windows+R, type Notepad, and then click OK. Now copy the code from the description or the pinned comment and paste it into the new Notepad file you just created. After that, click on File and then select Save as a. Set the file name to freeram.bat, then choose All Files under Save as Type and click Save. This will create a new BAT file on your system. Once it's created, just double-click it anytime to clear your RAM, and your system will refresh instantly. After doing this, your laptop will feel smoother right away. And that's it. These are the fastest and safest ways to speed up any Windows laptop, no software needed. If this video helped you, hit like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one.